Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Ayan Khan and I'll show you how you can add your courses via Lifter LMS plugin. So in the last video or the intro video, I showed you how you can create this beautiful educational website where you can sell your courses. So, and this is the basic layout and the main page of the website. This is the course catalog page there where all your courses will show. And if I click on this one, if I click on this one, it will redirect me to this page. This is a basic course layout that we will show to our customers or our viewers. So we will learn how we can add these pricing tables, and we can click once we click on enroll for free, it will take us to the checkout page. This is a checkout page, and once we add the details, we can click on enroll now and we will be enrolled to our courses. And when the viewer visit your website, you can simply show them how this you can give them a demo lecture, and you can show them what will be in the course. So let's begin. I'll work on this free hosting provided by pensionsite.io. So if you want to know how you can how you can get a free hosting, you can search pension site and you can get it here. I have created a video on it, you can watch that video. So let's begin. This is a basic dashboard. I want to remove the everything to make it look beautiful and simple. Click remove all of them, then go to post, delete this one, then go to pages, click on move to trash. You can click on trash and then remove it from here to delete it permanently, but you need to remember that once you click on delete permanently, you can not get it back. So now we'll go to appearance, and these are the basic themes that is added by the WordPress by default. So we are not going to work on it because the basic layout or the options that it gives are uh, not much useful as compared to the custom themes provide. So go to upload, no, go to add themes and then click on blocks, not click but write blocksy. Click on install. You need to install this one and then activate. Now we have added our custom theme, and you since we are using this theme, that we don't need this default theme, so you can click on the other themes and click on delete to delete it permanently. You can delete all of them manually, but I'm not going to do it because it will take a huge time. uh, Now I'll go to plugins. The basic plugin or the prime plugin that we are going to learn in this course is Lifter LMS, which is the main cause of creating the educational website that I showed you here. This is our educational website, and we'll be going to create it via Lifter LMS, and we will going to be design it with Elementor plugin. So I'll click on add new plugin, then I'll search Lifter LMS and then hit enter. This one is the more renowned with 90 plus active installation. I'll cover it in another course, but in this course I'll explain you how you can use Lifter LMS to create your educational website. Click on activate. Once you click on Lifter LMS, once you activate Lifter LMS, it will take you to a setup page where you can set up your Lifter LMS plugin. So I can skip setup and I can click on get started now. I'll click on get started now. So these are the basic pages, default pages that will be added by the Lifter LMS plugin, and I do need these pages. If you don't want these pages, you can manually set up, but I don't want to set it manually, so I'll click on save and continue because I need these pages. Then you need to select the currency in which your educational website currency of the country in which your educational website will be running. So most of the people that are watching my video must be from United States because I'm speaking in English, maybe that's why. Or they can use United Kingdom, Canada, or anything. Then enable offline payments because I'll explain you in this video how you can get money offline. For example, buyer when a buyer buys your course, the course will went to pending. When a buyer buys your code, the codes will be sent to the pending option, and you will receive the information about someone has bought your course, and then you need to approve that you have received the money via bank or check or any other thing. Then you will approve that approve the course, and the buyer will then only get your course. So a little broken English, but enough, maybe enough to understand you, to make you understand, sorry. Then click on help improve Lifter LMS and get a coupon. Sorry, not now, no thanks. These they are asking me if I want to add this custom, not custom but default courses to know, to see how these courses will look like, but I don't want this, and I'll click on start from scratch. I don't want this. Go back to WordPress now. So these from this Lifter LMS to this option orders, it is from the Lifter LMS. So this one, these subcategories and memberships, engagement, orders are by the Lifter LMS plugin. So when you will delete the Lifter, if you delete the Lifter LMS plugin, you will not see all these options. So this is the Lifter LMS basic dashboard. You can click dashboard to see how many sales you have generated or how many money you have earned. So basic register, I don't know why the registration is one. Wait, let me click on it. So it's not showing me, but as I tell you that this is a basic dashboard where you can see your sale, net sales, registration, enrollments, lessons completed, and we will look it we are not looking into it because we need to know how you can I'll tell you how you can add your courses. So click on courses, go to add courses. You can either go to add courses from here or here. Now the main purpose of this video is that I'll show you how you can add your first course into the educational website, so you get a better hands-on experience on adding your course. So for example, my website course is web development. I'll add the title web backspace web development, and I'll add a short description. For example, by buying this course you will start earning money. And here you can add your course information. For example, I can add paragraph. See, you, this is called Gutenberg block. All these things are in block. This one is inside a square, meaning this is a block. This itself is a block. For example, if I click on it, you can see the square generated on its outline. This is itself a block, this is a block, and everything is block. It is inside a block. This is called Gutenberg block editor. This is by the WordPress. This is by default from WordPress. So I'll explain you the if I hover my mouse in between these two. For example, if I put my mouse here for a while, for a little while, then I'll get this plus option. If you don't get this plus option, you can click on formation, then you can click on plus, which means that a block will be added after this course information. What is this? Sorry, maybe it's a paragraph or it's a heading. It is a heading. So I select this heading, then I click on plus. These are it is showing me some blocks, so I'll drag it, click and hold this paragraph, and then drag it here. It has edits the block itself, not self but manually by me. Set the course information. Let me copy it from here with the web development. This is the course information. I'm going to select this one. You can add yourself. You can either hire a copywriter or a blogger or a content writer to write this, or you can manually write it by yourself. So I'll go back and then paste, control plus V, or this one, paste, right click and then paste. So I pasted this, and see everything is in the block. I can, if I want to add something after this this paragraph, I'll select it, and then I'll click on plus and then paragraph, and I'll add it over here. But since I don't want it now, I click on delete and remove the block. Now this is the basic course information that I've added. Then if I want to add course instructor, I mean the information or the paragraph about it, then I need to go to, I cannot add a paragraph here because it's inside a block, and I cannot add a paragraph here. I can only add it above or below. You can delete this course instructor information by clicking on this three dot. First select it, then click on delete three dot, and then click on delete. But since I don't want it, I don't want to delete this, I click on go back, which undo. I don't know whether to call it undo or undo, pata nahi hai. So I click on undo or go back. Now I want to add course instructor information. In order to add it, I'll go back on and click on WordPress, this WordPress logo. You cannot add a paragraph, as I told you that you cannot add a paragraph, and you need to go to WordPress dashboard, then you need to go to users, then your profile. You can either go to users and then your profile, or click on all users. Since I am the only one administrating this website, so it's only showing me. The only user that is administrating this website is me, so I click on edit. See, it takes me to the profile, from all users to profile, because I'm the only one using it. So I'll scroll down, and it says biographical info, which means the course instructor information. So if I add anything here, for example, hi, this is me, Ayan, and this is my course instructor information. Once I add this, I can click on update profile. You cannot see it here because I haven't refreshed the page. For refreshing it, I need to click on publish, then I need to click on view course. I click on the view course and it opens here. See, this is a basic course that we are going to display, but don't worry, we will remove this sidebar. And if I scroll down, See, this is the course instructor information that we have just added. This is where is it? Ah, here is it. So you can add your course instructor information from here, or you can delete this block. Either you can delete this block or do something else, but I want to refresh this page. Now we have learned how to add course information. I've been given you the general idea about the Gutenberg blogs. If you want to know more about Gutenberg blogs, there are lots of videos on the YouTube. You just need to write which its name is little bit confusing. I am writing it for you. Gutenberg. It's called Gutenberg blog editor. Okay, you can learn. You can either read articles or watch tutorials on YouTube. Maybe I'll create videos on it too. If you want a video on it, kindly comment and I'll add a video. Then see, now we have the course instructor information too. Leave this for now, this two and this one too. This course does not have any sections. Well, it doesn't have, but we will add it later. So uh, now I have told you how you can add your courses, and in the next video I'll show you how you can how you can uh, s- in the next video I'll show you how you can manage the sales page, general restriction and reviews. Thanks for watching.